All right, guys. So today we're going to talk about how to make a rib tool. Now, a rib tool is used for like smoothing clay. You can use it to kind of cut clay, cut through clay. So this tool is going to be super handy. Now, what you're going to need is some sort of a plastic lid from like a food container. Not like the Tupperware ones that are textured. You're going for something that's flat, like from the container of butter or sour cream or yogurt or something like that. Okay. So start being on the lookout for this. You're going to need to make one of these. Now, when I make a rib tool, I kind of like to use a permanent marker and draw out the shape first. But you can also, if you don't have a Sharpie, you can kind of just imagine it. Okay. What we're going to be going for is sort of a, I don't even know how to say it, almost like a kidney bean type of a shape, or it's going to be sort of straight on one side and then rounded on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this first. And again, we're not going to be using this outer rigid edge. We're going to just cut from this plastic here in the center. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this. As far as size goes, we're looking for something that's about the width of our 4 fingers. So you can see here, I've got my straight line, and then I'm going to go ahead and just curve this out and around. Okay. Something like this. Alrighty. So I've got my nice shape there. And now I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out. Okay. So however it's easiest for you to make your way in. The other thing you can do if you're nervous about messing up, and this is what I do a lot of times, is I'll cut it from the rigid edge first, like this, just kind of get it out and onto the plastic. Move this out of your way, and then you can trim it. It's more comfortable now to cut without that rigid edge of the lid on there. Okay. Now this tool, like I said, is going to be something we're going to be using often. It's going to come in handy for many, many things. So do a nice job with it. You can see I'm kind of pulling the scissor blades and cutting and rotating smooth to have a nice round edge here. And I'm going to continue this as I cut, trying to stay right on the line. Okay. And I'm going to just kind of round that there. So this is our rib tool. Pretty straightforward. You can put your name on it if you want, but like I said, you're going to be doing, work at home and stuff. So this is going to be an important part of your kit. So make sure you have one of these, and these extra pieces you can just, throw in the garbage or whatever. This we're not going to need. Okay, so here is our magic rib tool.